Hi, good night. My name is Daniel Morales, and this is Activity 7 on April 13, 2021 of the Step 4 Understanding the Negotiations. And the theme is Business Model for Biotech Products. This is my handout chart of the problems to negotiate biotechnological products. The problems related to the protection of IP, in this case, must be patented from research process and can be licensed during the different stage of development. To negotiate these rights, the cash flows that are expected through the sales of the product for each market in which the commercial rights are granted must be calculated separately. The problems related to value of technology. First, it's very difficult to calculate the value. The value depends on the stage of development in which it is located. This project have high commercial value when they are successful, but they are high-risk investments. And the problems relate to negotiation. The following should be taken into account to range of technological packs and technical assistance and unsolve the payments of the barrier of technology. So between the parties in the barrier in the negotiation process at the release on intangibles. The model select of my group are agreements for licensing, representation, and distribution of novel final products. Definition. In an agreement for representation, licensing, and distribution of final product, there is no rights on clinical development. A deal can be able in which the highest amount is paid as royalties on net sales, and among the upfront fees, the highest amount can be paid at the start of the upfront free payments. There is only on payment in advance, and rest of the intangible values paid is as a royalty. Advantage of model. First, high prices are set according to the savings that the new therapy can represent for patent. The price is not set according to the production cost but above them, and a company can fully transfer rights from the project to another in the exchange for payments. Recommendations. Be aware of IP registration process now the times, and they have the necessary resource to avoid entanglement with the negotiation and license. Understand the scope of the negotiation, if it's only distribution or if it's investment in development, since this model aims to grant to license to sell and distribute a new technology. And work should be done to show the project as clearly as possible, with transparency, which allows building to relationship of the truth with the potential investor, and this achieving of a balance point between the interests of the parties. Okay, thank you, good night.